Hello friends, we will discuss about modify menu in a Dreamweaver. First of all, we go in create new and select HTML. First of all, we click on split view, then click on modify. There are many options given. Page property. We can modify page properties and its shortcut key is Ctrl+J. Selection property. We can modify selection property. CSS styles. We can modify CSS styles and its shortcut key is Shift plus F11. Media queries. We can modify media queries. Edit tag. We can modify edit tag. If we want to change the tag, we can modify it. Quick tag editor. If we want to modify tag, we select quick tag editor and its shortcut key is Ctrl+T. Make link. If we want to make a new link, we select make link and its shortcut key is Ctrl+L. Table. If we want to modify a table, we can modify it. It have many properties. Select table, merge cell, split cell, insert row, insert column, insert row or column, delete row, delete column, increase row span, increase column span, decrease row span, decrease column span, clear cell heights, clear cell widths, convert width to pixels, convert width to %, convert height to pixels, convert height to %. Image. We can modify the image. It have many property. Optimize, create image, edit with, edit original with, update from original, reset size to original, crop, resample, brightness, sharpen, frame set. We can modify the frame set. Arrange. If we want to arrange a code with own way, we can modify it. It have many properties. Bring to front, send to back, align left, align right, align top, align bottom, make same width, make same height. Library. Library. We can modify library. It have three properties. Add object to library, update current page, update pages. Template. We can modify templates. It have many properties. Apply template to page, detect from template, open attach template, check template syntax, update current page, update pages, export without markup, remove template markup, description, new entry after selection, new entry before selection, move entry up, move entry down, make attribute editable. Thank you for watching this tutorial.